In my hands, I've got 2 sets of Filet Mignon medallions that we bought from Omaha Steaks. Why do we have these? Because we wanted some tomahawk steaks. In order to get a big discount from $400 to $200, we had to buy something else. So guys, Sue, I've always been wondering, what's better? Iron skillet or non-stick skillet? So we're going to fry them both up, one in an iron skillet, one in a non-stick skillet, and see if there really is a difference between the flavor from an iron skillet and just a standard non-stick skillet. So let's see if there's going to be a difference. To do the medallions properly, we're going to season them both in the same way. So to treat them the same, we're going to give them each 8 turns. So they both got 8 turns of pepper, a teaspoon garlic powder, a half teaspoon kosher salt. Mix together. The benefits of a cast iron skillet is the heat, the amount of heat you can use. So we'll do the same thing but with a non-stick pan using the hottest burner I have. We're going to let it heat up as much as we can. We're going to add oil, add the steak, fry it up quickly because it's going to go quick, and then put it onto a plate. That's really hot. You can see the smoke. Just looking for a nice crust, a nice browning on the outside. That's all we're looking for. There we have it, nice crusting on the outside. Now let's put the flat iron skillet on the same heat and let it really heat up. I know the pan is hot because I can see some smoke going. Okay, the oil is smoking. Time to add in the steak. Same as before, we are looking for a nice sear. These steaks have also reached a nice sear, so let's see which one's going to taste better.
Tastes pretty good.
That's a good amount of seasoning. It's pretty tender. It's easy to chew.
Oh, I heard different pieces have different amounts of flavor. That second piece I had had a lot more oil or flavoring on it. Like all the seasoning seemed to drip down to the plate. So the ones on the plate have more seasoning, more flavor than the ones on the top.
It is very good. This one's also very flavorful. The piece I had was a bit more tender than this one, but that might just be the piece. They're practically the same.
I thought for this one the meat, for some reason the meat has more flavor. It's not as much about the seasoning on this one. Plus, the seasoning's not as much on the plate as it is on this one. This one's more tender than that one.
I feel like this one is softer than that one. But they're both very good.
This one's better.
But they're both good.
There you have it. Flat iron skillet is better.